Hello everybody, and welcome back again to the YouTube channel. And here we go again. We've got another Suzuki Jimny. Some of our regular customers will be thinking that this is all we supply, but if you look at our auction behind this vehicle, we can supply any of those cars you can see in the background of this video. Anything that's in these auctions, I can supply it, and supply it at the trade export price. The same price I would pay if I was to buy the car myself direct from any of these auctions, because I work as an appointed agent for a fixed commission. And the commissions, they're related to the cost of the car in UK pounds on the UK roads. For example, this Jimny is £22,000 on the UK road. That does not include the UK road tax, which is 220, and either collection or delivery from Southampton, where the cars are processed when they arrive in the UK. That's where they are IVA tested, which has to be done to these vehicles. This is carried out by the VDSA, which is under the Ministry of Transport here in the UK. It's a government visual inspection to qualify that the cars are suitable for the UK roads. So this vehicle, this particular Jimny, is I think it's March 2025, and you know the usual spec in this particular vehicle. They're all the same. You'll see I've listed quite a few others, but I'm going to quickly read through it. So it's a 1.5i JC Sierra. That's the model. That's the most common model in Japan. That liquid you can see on the floor is off the air conditioning. That's normal. The temperatures over there in Japan are extremely hot, but that's water coming out of the air conditioning unit, which is normal. So this vehicle, I think, has done 5 miles from new, but it's a 2.4 four-wheel drive, high and low ratio. It comes with LED headlights and headlight washers, front fog lights, power and heated front door, door mirrors, folding door mirrors. It's got the built-in indicators in the door mirrors as well. Privacy glass, 15-inch alloy wheels, front and side airbags, ABS, brake assist, cruise control, traction control, lanes protection, hill descent. It's got leather-bound steering wheel and heated front seats, and it comes with proximity keys with the push button start on the outside of the doors, which you'll see a little black button, so that if you've got the key in your pocket, you approach the car detects the key is present and will allow you to push the button and open the car. So this one has only done 5 miles from the factory gate. So although the car is registered, and for that reason it cannot actually be described as new, but it's delivery mileage. So this vehicle is available for purchase and is currently in transit at sea, on a ship coming from Japan, bound for Southampton, and then the ETA, estimated time of arrival into Southampton, is the 18th of September. So if anybody's looking for a delivery mileage, low mileage car, then here you've got one. And as I said earlier, those of you who are regular viewers of the channel, we haven't become Suzuki dealers. We can supply any car, but at the moment we are handling a lot of these vehicles. I think I've somewhere in the region of 30 Suzuki Jimnys currently in the process, either leaving Japan, on the water like this one in transit, or in Southampton being made ready and processed for registration at the DVLA. So I've been providing this service for my customers since February 2004. I have a long established track record, and I even invite you to do your research, and you'll see that you'll find my customers, thousands of customers that we've supplied cars to, as far north as the Isles of Orkney and as far south as the Isles of Jersey and Guernsey. In fact, I have customers there now who have taken delivery of vehicles. And anywhere you can think of in between, wherever you're located, just down the road from you, there'll be one of my customers. I'm sure of that, absolutely. So, South, Mid and North Wales, the Outer Hebrides of Scotland, all the way across Scotland, Northern Ireland have customers there who have bought Suzuki Jimnys. And so if you go online, I'm sure you'll eventually find some of my customers and be able to ask them what I did for them. It's quite simple. What is the point of me working as an agent? Because I'm not a car dealer. I do not own the cars I supply. I am not biased towards any of the cars I supply. It's a bit of a game changer for my customers. It's a massive benefit to them. If as I say, you approach me, you're looking for a car from the Japanese domestic market, you're in the right place, because I'm working for a fixed commission. I'm not working to make a profit. So in this case, this car will land at around £22,000 on the road, IVA tested, registered, and that includes my commission. That's all included. As I said before, what is not included is the road tax and delivery from Southampton. And the reason for that is we all have to pay road tax, and I can't possibly know in advance where my customers are going to be located. So I can't quote for storage, for transport. So there it is. If you'd like to share, like and subscribe, by all means do. Look forward to speaking to you again. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fit for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.